What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light on this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Just going to turn the key on into the on position without starting the vehicle. Alright, oil change required. We're just going to hit the reset button. Keep hitting the reset button until you get to the mileage. And then we're going to hold down the setup button. You're going to get to this section and then we'll hold the setup button again and it goes to oil life. Oil life is 0. We're going to hold down the reset button until it's 100% and you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.